So
Yes.
when I was a young man and you go to the service center, what it actually was the repair center. In other words, the thing that was called the service center is where you took the broken lawnmower or the broken washing machine or, whatever it was. Okay, so that was like service equals repair, spare parts, warranty, that kind of stuff. Then it upgraded to, no. We need to, service means customer satisfaction. And there was a huge focus during the 90s on customer satisfaction because there was an assumption that a satisfied customer would be a loyal customer. And for a period of time, that was okay. But you know what? Satisfaction became commoditized. A lot of different organizations could satisfy you. And we realized that satisfaction didn't necessarily produce loyalty. So then the field upgraded again, and it became customer experience. Right? That's where the whole customer journey and the end-to-end and the customer life cycle, right? And in between there was this thing called customer delight, which is, moments of magic and amaze the customer. Woo! The problem with that is it was ephemeral. It was too ad hoc. And so then it got even higher to customer loyalty. And we saw net promoter score and, we want to reduce churn and have repeat behavior. And would you recommend us to a colleague or a friend? And now it's reached the level of customer advocacy, where we want the customer to be an advocate and an ambassador for us and promote us and praise us on social media and in surveys and licks and clikes and all that. And now it's gone to the next level, which is the one I think we're stepping into today, which is genuine customer care. And what is care? It's commitment not only to do what I promise, not only to satisfy you, not only to produce value, but to contribute to your well-being into the future. So you know that I'm here to serve you and I give a damn about what happens to you next. And I want my employees to feel that as well. And I want the community to feel that about where we happen to be located. And so we are entering the era of authentic customer care, mutual partnership for future well-being.